interference.
Bura ma ugunja kod nyawadgi ma nyando jaredo kelo yangoni Jood bura e bwo Azimio kod kweth manoke od burano biro keto koke piny kata biro keto koke manone piny owacho madonjo oketo telo makare. Jood bura gi manoloso e od bura mamalo yangoni gibiro neno ni piny owacho chopo kare singo mane giketo e kinde ma kesera magombulu.
It is our expectation that the incoming president will understand that there is a clear clash between the excitement of his supporters and the dread among those who never voted for him and who believe he did not win. But we, the like-minded members of parliament, who have sworn to defend and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, will do whatever it takes to protect and defend fiercely the interests of the public. And in so doing, we shall fear no one.
It is quite unfortunate that the media has been locked out of Parliament and it had to call for intervention of ourselves, talking to various interested parties for you to be allowed into this compound. Media plays a pivotal role, shining light in the dark corners of our nation, and we will not accept any alienation or intimidation of the press while carrying out their duties.